This how-to video is going to show how to download a copy of all of your log files. So there could be a situation where a technician's trying to figure out what's going on in your system and you're not having a whole lot of luck. So he's going to maybe ask, hey, can I get a copy of your log files? Then that'll help us go through it and maybe kind of pinpoint where to start when we're trying to figure out an issue. This is also used in lieu of if you don't have email set up in your system already where we could send files through this way. This is another method of getting that file to us that doesn't involve using the VT3000's ability or inability to use email. So basically you're going to go to your system, you're going to get to your welcome page, you're going to select your VT3000 core software. You're going to go underneath diagnostics to logs here. So we select that there. We can use icons, diagnostics, logs. So that technician is going to ask for that full breadth. In other words, all of the log files. So essentially, this doesn't mean anything to you in this scenario. You don't want to actually pick the log because you want all of them. So where you're going to go is right up here to this download icon, and you're going to, as it says, download all. You're going to click that, and what you're going to see here is there will be a zip file created right here. And so you go here and say show a folder. This is going to show you that that VT3000 log files is in, for my purposes, it's in my downloads. So now all you have to do is just create a new email, send it to the technician's email address that requested it, and then just attach this file to it and send it. Then now they'll have a copy of all of your log files and be able to kind of take a look and see what's going on. That will conclude this video on how to get a download of all the files inside the logs. And I look forward to talking to you again.